Kunal Bothra of LKP Securities then joins in to take us through his strategy on the Nifty as well as stocks. Hi Kunal, good afternoon. First up, how would you look to trade the index now?
Well, I think at this, from here on, I think from a very short-term perspective, Sumaira, I think I would be a little bit skeptical on the long side. I would, be very choosy or very, selective in the kind of stocks which I pick. If I have to ride the momentum, because I think 8750 is a crucial resistance for Nifty. You are already, I think, 25-30 points away from that resistance barrier. So I think at this point of time, it's prudent to take out profits from a short term, wait for that breakout of above 8750. If that happens, then probably you can build more aggressive long positions beyond that. But I think at this point of time, I would probably park money or look to invest more into the defensive side of the market.
Hi Kunal, you said being selective is the correct approach. So take us through your two recommendations. One's on Federal Bank and the other one is on Cipla.
Well, yes, the first one is a sell, and that's on Federal Bank. The stock is already trading below the 200-day moving average. I think 4 or 5 days back, it broke that 200-day moving average. It attempted to break, the average on the upside once again, but it failed, and now it's coming back to test its low. So I think it's a good sign or good confirmation that the stock may probably start a fresh short-term downtrend. I'm looking at least a 10% downside from current levels. So probably levels of 120 or 115 could be possible on Federal Bank over the next 1 to 2 weeks. I would keep a stop loss of 134, which is exactly the 200-day moving average. The second stock is on the buy side, and that's Cipla. As I said, I would look to buy on the defensive side. And I think pharma is one of the few stocks. Cipla is is going very strong in terms of momentum, trading very close to its upper end of resistance band. So I think Cipla could be a good buy from a short-term perspective. I would look at a target of at least 780 to 820 on the next 1 to 2 weeks on Cipla, keeping a stop loss of 700 on it.
All right, Kunal, any disclosures?
No personal holdings in the stocks mentioned. Sumaira, it is possible I may have recommended the same stocks to our clients at LKP.
All right, thanks very much for joining in.